local LGBT activists and allies applauding the Supreme Court's marriage ruling. New at 10, KAKE's Madeline Anderson is back from a celebration in Old Town this evening. She has more on the impact for couples in Kansas. Madeline?
Well, many same-sex couples say today's decision not only means their love will be recognized across the country, they'll also receive the same privileges as married heterosexual couples. Old Town Square never looked so colorful.
Are we having a great day or what?
I mean, I'm glowing ear to ear.
People with rainbow flags, face paint, and outfits filled the area in support of the Supreme Court's ruling that same-sex couples can wed in all 50 states.
I've been a little emotional all day. This was something that I just assumed was going to be denied to me my entire life.
Paul Jackson and Dwayne Ellis have been together for 5 years. They say now it finally feels right to take the next step in their relationship.
So we were waiting actually for today to make the announcement. So if you didn't know, now you know.
We're getting married.
We're getting married.
Although most counties in Kansas have been issuing marriage licenses for same-sex couples since last year, the Supreme Court's decision will allow those couples to also file taxes together, visit each other in the hospital, and merge insurance.
Marriage is an all-encompassing, life-changing event. If we want to change our names, I want to be able to do that.
Yep.
I want everything.
As the evening ended with people singing America the Beautiful, speakers also reminded the crowd that more work needs to be done. LGBT citizens in Kansas can still be fired from their jobs because of their sexual orientation.
Please, please, let that celebration be an inspiration to all of you, because the battle is not yet won.
And Kansas Senate President Susan Wagle says the decision will require legislators to examine state laws protecting religious freedom to make sure that residents who personally oppose gay marriage are not required to perform same-sex weddings or participate in them.
Thanks, Madeline. Governor Sam Brownback responding to the ruling by saying, quote, activist courts should not overrule the people of this state who have clearly supported the Kansas Constitution's definition of marriage as being between one man and one woman. A closer look now at the timeline of the same-sex marriage debate in Kansas. In 2005, Kansas voters passed a constitutional amendment banning same-sex marriage. The American Civil Liberties Union sued to overturn that ban. The lawsuit included a Wichita couple. In November of 2014, a federal judge ordered Kansas to allow same-sex couples to marry. The state took the case to the Supreme Court, which ruled same-sex marriages could go ahead in Kansas. Judges in at least 4 counties began issuing marriage licenses the next day. The ACLU lawsuit on the gay marriage ban is still pending in federal court. Gay rights advocates are calling on the state to drop its defense of the ban. Governor Sam Brownback and Attorney General Derek Schmidt say the state will study today's ruling further before making any moves.